Today I'm going to try and make a bow knot, so like you would, on your shoelaces. I think this is a bit of a complicated type of a knot. I don't quite know how I'm going to do it yet. Let's just crack on and try and do it. I'll start by putting a little taper on the end of the bar, just so we can sort of have the ends flowing away a little bit better, just so they're not abruptly ending. So we're not going to do a traditional style of bow, or at least a traditional method of making a bow, but hopefully it will look something like a bow once we're finished. Put taper on the other end. From here, I'm going to bend this into another loop and then put the end of it through this gap and then close that gap up. So this is going to be one of the end loops, and then we need to forge the other loop. There's one of the strings that comes out, there's the other end of the string that comes out, and this loop here, from there down to there, is what we're going to close up to hold the knot together, hopefully. We've got the basic shape now. This is one loop, and then that's the other, and then this one here is the one that I've got to tighten up now and bring in to try and hold it all together. Very messy, as you can see, but I think what I need to do is this one coming through here at the moment is going at the back of this loop, and I think it actually wants to come through the loop there. So I'm going to have to undo it a bit and then put that through that loop. You can see the bows aren't quite even at the moment, so as I'm tightening up this middle loop, I'm going to try and force most of the material this way so we get more material coming into this loop. That's the basic shape. Now it's the hard part of trying to refine it and getting it all even, which is just working it all through. I'll probably have to work this one through, cut it off, and then retape at the end. So I think the knot could be a little bit more fluid. It's just a little bit, there's something about the shape at the moment where it's just sort of, there's a bit too many flat spots, or I don't know. It's just not quite pleasing on the eye, but you know, this is the sort of thing that you could mess around for, with for hours and hours, and it's one of those that you can tweak, go back to the fire, tweak again, tweak again, tweak again, and gradually you just end up making it worse and worse and worse, and just going round in circles for hours. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed watching me trying to make this. It's maybe not the traditional style of bow. I don't really know. You know, we sort of did a loop and then another one and thread them through, which I don't think is how, you know, I don't tie my laces like that. I don't know if other people do. Perhaps you do. But anyway, thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you on the next one.